is another way you can try your head wrap out. I think you can see the picture of the head wrap I want to try today on my screen. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already made the foundational pleat before I started this video. I just grab it and place it from the back and direct the excess forward like this. So when you take it forward, cross the hand right to left and left to right, turn it another time. Okay, so once you have turned it and make sure it is tight, drop it like this and fold an inch in, arrange it and grab it with the initial pleats, one of the initial pleats, and pin down. What I have done to this side, definitely we're going to be repeating it to the other side, because we want both sides to be able to be on their own without anyone's holding for us, DIY operation, do it yourself. So I'm repeating the same process to this other side, which I'm done with. So the excess I have for this part, I'm going to raise it up. Please watch my hand and see how I'm folding it. I'm going to create a rough pleat with it like this, down like this. And once I'm done creating the rough pleat, I will pick it with one of the fabric down, and I need office pin to secure. So after securing it on its own, and I'm good to go to the other side, so I'll go again and pleat everything down like this. Guys, watch my hand, please watch my hand. So I'm pleating it and directing it towards the rough pleat I made and I secured earlier. So I'm going to continue making that pleat and placing it on the rough pleat like this. Yeah, so I'll continue making the pleats until my fabric is being exhausted. Continue making the pleat. So once I'm done making the pleat, it remains a little fabric. I don't need to bother myself. I just grab a pin and secure this edge. I pick one down and I make sure that it comes in and goes out so that the space will be firm. So the excess I have, I just stretch one backward and stretch one to the front. It's as simple as that. So after pinning down that place as well, I'm almost done. I'll not leave my head wrap untouched. I'll go to it and touch it very well, and when I'm satisfied, I'm gonna leave my hand off it. Look at this, guys. So I'm done with this head wrap. What do you think, guys? Do not forget to share this video, like, and do follow for more head wrap tutorials. I'll see you next time.